Today's recipe is a simple vegetable stir fry. We're going to make stir-fried lettuce with preserved bean curd. It's a recipe I grew up eating and enjoyed, so I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. We're starting with freshly washed romaine lettuce. I've separated each of the leaves. I'm using 200 grams of romaine lettuce. I'm placing my lettuce in a salad spinner to get out all the water. We want our stir fry to be nice and dry, so this is an important step. I actually got out quite a bit of water from the lettuce. Repeat this step until you've spin dried all your lettuce. Mince up 2 cloves of garlic, set aside your minced garlic. Use 1 chili pepper for a bit of spice. Slice in half and remove the seeds. Slice the chili pepper into thin slices. Set aside your sliced chili. You're going to need 2 cubes of preserved bean curd. This is the brand of preserved bean curd that me and my family enjoy eating. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but this is the packaging. If you haven't tried preserved bean curd before, it has a really unique flavor. It's very creamy in texture and very savory. Now we mash up our preserved bean curd into a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of water, as well as half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients together and continue stirring and mashing to create a smooth and creamy paste. Heat up your wok to medium-low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Move the wok around so that the wok is evenly coated in oil. Heat up your pan to medium-low heat. Once your oil is hot, add in your chilies and your garlic. Saute your chilies and garlic for a few minutes. When your garlic turns slightly brown, add in your lettuce. Increase the heat to high. Saute your lettuce constantly so that your lettuce cooks evenly. Once your lettuce has turned into a more vibrant green color and it has wilted down a bit like this, add in your preserved bean curd sauce. Mix until all the lettuce are evenly coated and as well as the cornstarch has thickened. Turn off your heat and serve immediately. A delicious and affordable recipe that anyone can make, and this can be made in less than 10 minutes. A creamy, savory, and slightly spicy stir-fried lettuce. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get into the taste test. I'm so excited to try this because this is my ultimate favorite. I have this very often. So good. So delicious with that creamy umami fermented bean curd. This with some steamed jasmine rice is so delicious. Perfect hint of spiciness, and it has a nice char on here with a really nice Saute flavor. The garlic and the fuyu just go so well together. You definitely can't skip the garlic. That is a must in this dish. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I just started this channel not too long ago, so every like and comment makes a huge difference. Like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. I will be sharing more Malaysian Chinese recipes and as well as Chinese recipes that I grew up eating, so stay tuned for that. I hope to see you next Wednesday for a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.